Okay, so let's just do a visual inspection here. Okay, there's really no need. So let's start testing these MOSFETs. Okay, number one, we'll start here with this fuse. That fuse is perfect. Okay, no short there. If this fuse is found, so most likely there won't be no short on these two here. Okay, that's okay there. Okay, that's okay because we had power there. So you guys see what's happening. Yeah. Okay, now we're shorting over here. Now we're not shorting, it's reading. Well, okay, so let's dive in just to see. A little bit of inspection here. If I see something funny. Okay, I don't think the top side has an issue. So usually everything happens on the bottom here. Looks like that's okay there. I'm seeing something funny here. This doesn't look right. Okay, let's zoom in. Yeah, looks like a blonde resistor. Okay, yeah, we have a blonde resistor here. Some type of resistor here that's blonde, and that resistor goes straight to the DAP chip. So if we check here, okay, it goes straight there. Okay, so let's just see where this resistor goes to. We can see one leg goes to the DAP. That most likely something caused this thing to blow. So what happened? Okay, it's not shorting here. Okay, let's just zoom out so you guys can see also. No, if it's well, hopefully the noise will be enough. Okay, let's go to diode mode, at least for now. Just want to see what we will be getting there. Yeah, I don't think this is what we're supposed to be getting here, because I even put the probe in the wrong way. So let's see the right way. Okay, that's okay. Well, maybe we're getting this reading because it's attached to the DAP chip, so maybe that's the case. Well, basically on this case here, still getting a wrong reading there. Yeah, either way we're getting a wrong reading there. But yeah, maybe it's just because it's attached to the DAP. If you remove this DAP here, the reading might change. Okay, so now where does this thing here go to? Because if we can find where it goes to, maybe we might really find the cause. Okay, back to the normal mode. Okay, so these two here, it's going through the DAP. So now where does this one here leads to? Okay, let's see, let's follow the trace. It goes through here, I think. Let's see. Fingers. Okay, let's go. Where does this thing lead to? Okay, so this goes all the way up to here. Okay. Are we shorting here? Are we shorting? Oh, what are we getting? Okay, basically we're getting oil. Oh, okay, there is another blonde fuse. We have another blonde fuse here, as you can see there. It's like a tiny hole there. I can actually feel it with my probe there. And when I'm digging, it's coming off. So another 510, I think. So if it's a 510 here, most likely it should also be another 510 down here. Most likely. So yeah. So where are we? We are over here, the 510. So this is blown. So what's under here? Oh, okay. Oh, I think I see. So there's another MOSFET over here. I didn't pay attention to it. Okay, there's a diode. Let's look at this diode over here. Okay, probably the wrong way. Make sure that was the right way. Can't see it. Okay, let me zoom out so you have an idea where I am. Okay, we have some type of reading there. And over here there's another MOSFET. So let's at least look up there because I didn't pay attention to that. Well, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. Oh, damn. Okay, so I think this is the culprit. Yeah, so I was supposed to check there when I started, but I didn't pay attention to that. Okay, so as you can see there, it's blown. Let's take it out and see if you'll be able to get another one and replace all the faulty components and hope for the best. Yeah. Now at least we know what's going on. Now we know what's going on. Okay, that's spinning now. Is it just a one leg or two? Okay, looks like it's just sold on the one spot here. Okay, that's perfect. But I think we'll just have to lift both legs. Oh, maybe all the legs there. All the anchor point. Yeah, so we have those two. Okay, let's just remove all of them and then can always put it back. So it's not really a problem. Got busy there a little bit. Okay, so let's remove these two here. Okay, we don't really have to desolder all the way. You can just pull at the bottom here and then start wiggling until everything comes off. There we go. Yeah, as you can see, the one leg is, there we go. So, do I have a replacement? I don't know. Those are high. Yeah, it's completely blown there. I think I'll check another power supply to see if I have replacement. It's been a moment since I fixed the Ps5 power supply. If I can get this one right, those power supplies are not available yet to us, actually, here in Cape Town or South Africa yet. So I haven't seen one yet online. So I need to get this one here working. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's about it. Yeah, okay, so we're moving to what? Where are we moving to what? Yeah, that fuse is to go. Let's start removing things. This fuse has to go. To 510. Find another 510. Put it in. It's one down. There's the second one. I don't think the reading will change here until I remove the DAP chip. So I'm still getting the same reading there. Am I getting the same reading up here? Which I'm sure I will. Yeah, I think this is also shut, I think, because we're not getting anything. Yep. Okay, let's bring it here so you see what I mean. Yeah, this diode is also shut. Okay, so that diode is also gone. Okay, I'll leave it on the circuit. I'll leave it there for now. Let's just see. Just want to test the circuit just to see. No, it's shut. Okay, so diode is also gone. That one down. Let's move to this one here and see if we're getting a different reading or what. We'll just lift it up. Okay, that's okay. One leg up. Let's just do some testing. Okay, we're not getting anything there. Yeah, I think this diode is also gone. Okay. Yeah, this diode is also faulty. Yeah, now we're getting a better reading. But this diode is also faulty. Okay. If you're able to see there, well, still won't be able to see there, but this diode is faulty. So when I flip the probe the right way, I'm supposed to test this. I'm also not getting anything. Okay. I'm getting anything there. So, yeah. So pretty much, I think that diode is gone. I have a blown diode. So these are the things that we need. I think that DAP also must be shut. I won't trust it. Yeah, because let's see. Let's just try to probe it. Those probes there. Where is the ground here? Which one is ground now? Okay, where's the capacitor? Yeah, that's ground, I think. Okay, I have one probe on the ground. Let's see what I'm getting here. Wow, it's not shorting. That's good. Okay, diode reading. Since there's a diode here, I'm mostly hoping to get a diode reading there too. Okay, so let me find the what I need to find. So let's remove this one here. Will be good, but we'll see. I'll put a different chip here and then just to see the reading. If the readings are the same, then we're putting this one here back in. If the readings are matching, we'll pull this one back in. If we have similar reading, we'll know what to do. Even as you can see, everything just leads to the DAP53. So this pin here, I think if I'm mistaken, it's coming all the way here, going through that resistor and coming here. So if this thing here dies, most likely these two are in cahoots. Let's see, is it what? What are we getting here? There's some type of resistor. Let's see how much resistance we're getting. Yeah, 0.9. Getting about 0.9 there. Okay, let's see. Oh, even yeah. So yeah, we're getting 0.9. Yeah. So we're getting about 0.9 there, or 1 ohm, 1K or something. I don't know what I see there. Okay, so let's find this MOSFET, these diodes, the other diodes, another resistor, and the DAP, and the chip there. I'll be back. Well, I managed to get a replacement one from another power supply, and that's one we'll be mostly taking our parts from. So that's a 40N60M2. That needs to go in there. I think this is the spare one, and hopefully this LTA chip will work fine here. Okay, so this one here goes there. Add some solder. Just make sure everything is sitting properly. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so that's seated properly there. Now we can add some solder. 13, 2, there we go, one more there, and over there. That's perfect. Okay, that area is sorted. What do we need now? It was just a little bit too much there. So we need that resistor. Okay, so we know which one they are. Okay, that was a 510 on top there. We can take a 510 anywhere else, from even a Ps4 power supply. It's okay. Okay, that's one 510 over there. We'll add some solder later. Let's move to the diode. Okay, and there is it off? Yep, it's off. Okay, I think there's a line here, so wherever there's a line there, that's where it goes. If I'm wrong, we'll always test anyway. Leave it like that. Use our multimeter. Am I wrong? By the look of it, yes. Okay, let's see. Okay, this thing is gonna go off. Diode reading, yes. Okay, so I was wrong. To flip it around, turn it around. Okay, that's in place. Let's add some solder down here. Have no solder there. More solder here. More solder down there. When we're clean, we'll do a pass over again just to see. Okay, so what are we getting here? We need that resistor. This one here and the diode. Actually, this resistor here, this small resistor here that I was taking from another board, I don't know where I put it. Can you believe that? Okay, so let's put this one on. This at least are brand new ones, and hopefully they are working. Hopefully they are working. So some of these IC they come through here faulty. So you never know when you're buying new stuff or buying part. Even though it's new, it could still be faulty. Let's solder. It's in place. So next we've got this. Where is it? This diode here that we're taking. Hopefully I don't lose this one. The thing is I didn't measure that resistor there, so now I have no idea, even though it's written there. Okay, before soldering, let's just make sure that we put it in the right direction or the right way. Yep, we did. So we're missing one more thing here. That resistor is MIA. That resistor went MIA on us. Well, I'll be back. I'll just check on the table here if I can find it. Or maybe I'll look for another power supply there, see if I have one with a good resistor on it. And then we'll mostly put the whole thing together and test if we'll get 12 volt or an explosion. Okay, for anyone wondering what's the value on this, found another power supply there, so it's a 10 ohm resistor. For next time we'll know. Okay, let's make sure that that's 10 ohm resistor. Bang, and what's this? 1999. Okay, perfect. The last piece of the puzzle. Our last piece of the puzzle. Okay, we can test it here even. It doesn't matter. Perfect. So we're making our contact from there to here. Over here. And that's good. Over here, should be like that. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I think let's try this way here. Should be getting a different reading at least. Okay. What am I doing here? Oh, diode reading. Yeah, this multimeter is different, so I'm used to that one there. Yeah, okay, even the rating has changed since we changed the DAP there. Okay, so that's good reading there. And also here, we're getting a good reading. So guys, hopefully everything will work out on this power supply now. So, let's just make sure everything is soldered on properly. For that, I will use a hotel. Okay, apply some hotel here. That's good. That's okay. It's basically that. That's okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, guys, check this out. This is the resistor I was looking for. Check where it's hiding. I think that's a good one. Yeah, it was hiding here. So I will move it back to this power supply so I don't lose it whenever I might need it again. At least we know where it is now. It's been hiding from us. Where is it? Come here. Where's my guy here? Okay, come back. There we go. That's good enough. Okay, let me just check that I'm putting the right one there. I need to get a 10 ohm resistance. Yeah, that's the one. That is the one. Okay, so now it's what I tend to call moment of truth. Voltage. Okay, anything metal, it's under us here. Oh, I know. There's the safest way. Okay, let's see if this is going to sit there. Okay, that's sitting. Boom. Okay, I need to turn on the plug. I need to get AC. Actually, AC power supply does off. You don't have to switch on the whole thing, give a full load one time. You'll be going gradually, so 0 to 110 or whatever until the power supply comes on. Okay, turn off. indicating. Looks like we're getting 12 volts. Are we getting 12 volts? Yes, we are. We have 12 volts. I think this power supply is fixed. I'll put it back in the console and then we'll test. And I also need to use the thermal camera just to see if nothing else is overheating. But we've got 12 volts now. We've got 12 volts now, so yeah, it's fixed. Need to put it back on the console and test. And hopefully it stays on for a long time. The client will be happy. Okay, so let's move on to the next step. Okay, so power supply is inside now. Let's just see what happens. Okay, 1, 2, 0. Yes, there is power. Okay, so this Ps5, it's not a 4, this Ps5 is fixed. We'll see you on the next one. Let's see if it'll turn to white at least. Yep, turn to white. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.